Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to drawing course. In this lecture, we're going to show how to use linked nodes. We can link displayed nodes to a previously defined cost and property or to website. For example, we have to find who is the author of this component, this one here. To accomplish that, we can use linked nodes or we can use bill of materials table. And we're going to show both ways. But first, we have to go to annotation and to note. And let's click on this component here. And now on the left side, we have some options here. Insert hyperlink. Let's click on this. So we can insert link here of some specific website. And then if anyone who would press on this link would directly go to their website. So we can link to website. And then let's cancel. Here we can link to property. And this is what we are looking for. Let's click here. And now we have some options. So here we have use custom properties from, and we're gonna choose model font here. And here we're gonna choose component to which the annotation is attached. This one. And now under property name, we want to find who is the author. So we're gonna choose here author. And now we see here evaluated value Mike Watson. And let's click OK here. And now we see that Mike Watson is author of this component. Let's drag this to the side. And this is one way how we can find some specific property of component. And then we'll do the other ways to create a bill of material table. So let's go to annotation tab. And let's create bill of materials. And let's click OK here. Let's place our table here. And we'll adjust it. So to find who is the author, we have to add a new column with property author. So let's click here, right click, and let's insert column on the right. And for custom property, we're gonna choose author. Let's click here. And now we don't see the result yet, the author Mike Watson. And this is because we use such a DOM type which is top level only. Let's click here. And let's change BOM type to parts only or to indented. Let's go to parts only. Or we can choose indented. Those are the same thing. And OK. And now we see that for subassembly, the author is Mike Watson. And this is how we can use linked nodes and how we can find specific property of some components. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.